morning to
Bye.
you guys video, and we are finishing the best time of the game, did he? Yes, tama kayo dyan. After 5 exciting sets, TSG winning over UP, and we have here beside me ang napaka-cute na si... Hi, sabi sa akin ni Coach Selma a while ago, nagkaroon daw kayo ng major adjustment because of their guest there. So, paano kayo nag-deal dun sa adjustment nyo?
At first, wala kaming isip. Ang ginawa lang namin, nag-usap-usap lang sa loob ng court. And then, buti naman, naka-recover naman kami.
Ayan. And since you're best player today, merong gift sa'yo ang Shaky. And you get to greet or invite everyone.
Hi po kay Coach Edwin Leiva, kay Coach Parley, sa mga teammates ko, sa mga parents ko, at saka sa mga supporters ko sa atin.
And that's our best player of the game. Back to you guys.
Well said.